Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you who are watching wherever you may be in the world. We have special guests today, a couple that we have helped in their quest to stay together as husband and wife, and hopefully this is there forever, ano? Okay, so let me introduce to you our guest for today. What about, why don't you introduce yourselves? Let's start with this young gentleman here. Okay, you speak as audible as you can.
Yes. Hello to everyone.
Yes.
My name is John Michael Brady, retired Navy Master Chief, and I've got a lovely, lovely lady next to me.
Okay, and what is your name, Miss Lovely Lady? Can you please tell us?
Hi. Hi everyone. My name is Miriam E. Brady.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Alright, ako naman po, dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng ating programa, ay si Attorney A. Erwin Bautista, who's been practicing U.S. immigration law in the United States, based in San Diego. And our guests for today are also residents of San Diego. So, let's just say we are interviewed by the U.S. immigration, because when you got married, we were not interviewed because we were able to submit all of the good faith requirements to show that you are living together as husband and wife, and that you married for, what is the reason for marrying Mrs. Brady, Mr. Brady?
I just fell deeply in love with her.
There you
Short
go.
period of
That's
time.
the correct reason.
No,
Then-
really. I just was just a single gentleman that's lonely, and I met this wonderful lady at the lobby.
Mhm.
Actually, it wasn't a lobby; it was a weight room at the VA hospital in La Jolla.
Yes.
And we just boola-boola a little bit. And,
That's what you're answering the question I'm supposed to ask. How did you meet? So please continue.
Yes. Well, anyway, well, it was kind of a godsend, to be honest with you,
Uh-huh.
because I was doing a lot of security work at the VA,
Yes.
and this particular individual day,
Yes.
I got in, I was checking into work, and the guy said, "Hey, Master Chief, hey, what?" He said, "I need to ask you to do me a special favor."
Yes.
In the section 1, 2, and 3, the
Ah.
specialty care room. He said, "Yeah, that lady's not coming in to be here today. I need to cover that post bad."
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, no problem. I'm flexible.
Okay.
So I went in there and
Who did you
my
see?
walking
Who did you
around
meet?
and stuff like that. Check outside the front door, make sure nobody was there that was not supposed to be there,
Uh-huh.
and all that stuff. And saw a couple people I recognized from Navy days, and then we just started to chat a little bit here and there,
Okay.
and just led one thing to another, and I got the gumption to ask for a phone.
All right. So I thought you talked to her for like an hour and you almost got her phone, but you actually got her phone number, right?
I did, but it took a lot. No, it took a lot of time because he was there all day with her client.
Oh, I see. Okay, now, Mrs. Brady, can you tell us something about yourself, like which area you are from in the Philippines?
Yeah, actually I'm from Cebu City. That's
Taga
my
Cebu
province.
kayo.
Yeah,
Oo.
I am Cebuana.
So marunong
Bye.
kayo magsalita ng Bisaya?
Oo,
Oh,
Cebuana.
bumati tayo sa mga kababayan natin ng
May
Bisaya.
buntag, may udto, may gabi sa pinyong tanan,
Ah.
sa ato, sa Bisaya, or kahit na sa Mindanao.
There you go.
And yeah, but we live in Subic Bay,
Subic Bay.
Yeah.
Oo.
where my children were there, and
Mhm.
yeah, right now.
Okay.
So hopefully soon, they will be here also uniting with me.
Yes.
Last
yes.
year, yeah.
And how many children do you have?
I have 5.
You have 5.
Mhm.
And would you be able to tell us your previous story before you met Mr. Brady? Because our ending is the happy ending of you meeting and getting married.
Yeah.
So, but as a backgrounder, how did you or why did you come over to the United States? You just want to visit and tour, or what's the purpose of your visit in the US?
No, actually, I came here to process my SSA from my late husband.
So, Social Security benefits.
Yeah,
Okay.
Social Security benefits.
Because your previous husband is
Well,
a US citizen
Yes, is American.
who is
yes,
also
yeah.
entitled to retirement.
Yes.
I see.
And-
So you are very much eligible,
Yes.
competent, and single and ready to mingle when you came over.
All the time, actually, I have no intention to get married again.
Yes, yes.
But for some reason, I didn't know that, I was just praying that the Lord will lead me, whatever your plans for me.
Yes.
And just one day, I have with my friends, I went with them to Bay La Jolla for checkup, and I was just at the lobby waiting for
Yes.
them because it's been a long process.
Yes.
And there's while I was sitting there for hours, someone is walking in front of me, keep on going back and forth.
He is surveilling the area.
Surveilling. There's so much, people there.
Yeah.
But, somehow there was one guy really keep on walking by and by and back and forth. And then, actually, I think...
Are you already agitated that how come he's not approaching me yet? And
No.
yet he's walking back and forth in front of me. Is he going to approach me and ask for my name and ask for my number?
No, actually, hindi ko naman napansin yun.
You never
Because
noticed.
I never noticed, but I just saw, because this, di ba, all the clients,
mga
visiting all the
pasyente doon na
there's so
naglalakad-lakad.
many of them, and so,
But there is this one particular person who keeps coming back and forth.
yeah, and then, because I was reading, showing, looking at my cell phone, and then, one time, when he glanced at me, and I just smiled, oh, hi, and then, because he said hello to me.
Oh, okay.
And then I said,
So-
oh, hi.
So, just like he said, he took the courage to
Yes.
to approach you,
Uh-huh.
took the gumption,
Yeah.
just like in his own words.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where it started.
That's how it
He,
started.
Mr. Brady, approaching you, asking your name, asking your phone number,
Mhm.
and then what happens after you met on that day? A few weeks, a few days. What happened after that meeting?
It's just, I think that night, the same night, when we went back to Morieta,
Uh-huh.
he called,
Oh,
and
you already called, huh? He's
Yeah.
fast on the trigger.
yeah, he called and just say hi, just saying, the normal conversation,
Yeah.
just hello.
Trying to find out about
trying
you.
to find out, and then the next day,
Mhm.
he messaged me,
Mhm.
and then he called,
Yeah.
and then he invited me. Can I take you out for dinner?
Uh-huh.
Can I pick you up and take you?
Did you agree?
For I think it took me 1 week. I was talking to my friends, actually,
Yes,
the couple. So I told them about
Mr. Brady?
yeah.
About
Mr.
his calls,
Brady, yeah,
about his
calls,
invitation.
yeah.
Mhm.
About I met somebody there while I was waiting for you guys.
Uh-huh.
So that's it. And and my friend said, okay, go ahead. If
Yes.
you seems like you feel that he's a good guy, and
Mhm.
because I don't. There's so many people around that inviting me, but I
Yes.
don't go for that.
Yes.
But I have to pray and discernment from God.
Mhm.
So I said, okay, I think he's a good guy. He has a good
Alright.
heart. The way he talks, the way he treats me,
Mhm.
he has a good heart. He's a
So
good guy.
you retain that Filipino trait of pakipot muna doon sa iba, hindi kay Mr. Brady.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No, I mean, yeah, because it's not that because I'm
Because they're not your type.
it's not that
Or
I'm
there's
also
no
scared.
Mhm.
it wasn't in my plan.
Okay.
Yeah, it
All
wasn't
right.
in my plan. So I don't, for some reason, I guess, like
Mm-hmm.
I told my friend, how do you feel when you ask him? I said, he seems he has a good heart.
Yes.
And I'm not scared.
Uh-huh.
I had the feeling that no fear.
Yes.
You
So
know?
how long did it take for you to know each other and then make some decisions that will change your life? So how long did it take before you really felt that Mr. Brady is the one for you? And how long did it take you, Mr. Brady, to find out that she is really the godsend that you are waiting for?
Well, like you say, it was basically a new experience for me in the fact that I fell down so much for her right
Yes.
away.
Uh-huh.
Normally you get to know people,
Yes.
and that's what we did over the next couple, 3 or 4 weeks.
Yes.
Get to know each other, spend time
Uh-huh.
together, and talk about different things and stuff like that. And,
Mm-hmm.
and she just started taking care of me, and just whatever, and just being by myself. That was wonderful. And
So-
I just said, if you take care of me,
Mm-hmm.
you have any interest in making that permanent?
Wow. So when you met her and then you get to know her, then you felt that she is attending to you. It's like you knew her for quite some time, for a long time maybe. How come you feel very at ease when she is present, when she is with you? Is that how you felt?
Well, it
Mr.
is.
Putting, I'm putting words into your mouth, okay? Mr. Brady, if you noticed.
They're good words. No, they really are, and it's it is. I felt very comfortable with her, able to talk about everything.
Mhm. Okay.
That's I've always been reasonably private,
Mhm.
and we just expanded. And of course, we had I've been to Cebu a couple of times.
To Cebu, huh?
Yeah,
Cebu.
I've been
This
in
is from Cebu.
right.
So that could
So
be
that
a
was
good
that was a
topic
good
of conversation.
That was a good connection, and she
Uh-huh.
brought up about the fact, well, if we were to get together, or even if we didn't, we go to the Philippines, all that stuff, and I just, and she says, well, they got some nice golf courses. I said,
Mhm.
okay, let's go.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So let's say you finally decided that time came. Then can I ask you, how did you propose to the future Mrs. Brady? Did you kneel on one of your knees? Is it still possible? Can you still do that? Or it is just a regular conversation? But of course, your heart must be pumping so hard because you do not know what will be the response, right?
right.
So how did you feel about that moment?
Well, it was a good moment. The fact that I like to have been able to kneel down on my knees, but they're so shot from my younger years. Wow, I hate that word, younger. We've heard it so older. But anyway,
Is that disability service connected?
it is.
Okay.
It is.
So you are able to get something out of it from your
We're getting
disability.
the minimal amount now. But
All right, very
we're in
good.
the process
I just
of-
want to know, because you said you're from the Navy and it could be a disability factor
Yeah.
that could help, right?
Right.
All right, very good. So it's not bad. It's not bad. So, and then what happened when you asked her? Did she say yes? Did she say I'll think about it? What was it? Can you respond, Mrs. Brady?
Actually, that day I was talking to my kids.
Yes,
I
yes.
usually video call,
Mhm.
and he came and joined us
Oh, in the
And then
conversation,
the
huh?
conversation.
In the video call.
in the video call. And
Yes.
then that's the time he told me that.
Uh-huh.
He told my kids,
Oh.
I am with your mom and I'm going to be with her and marrying her. And then in the first
And the
place,
kids.
actually, I told my kids already that.
About
you know,
him. About him.
him.
Oh, yeah.
And then my kids were very supportive.
Uh-huh.
And
Oh, he is accepted right away by the kids, by the family.
Yeah, because the way I told them about
The way you
him,
describe him.
and
Pinapogi mo na siya bago pa nila ma-meet si Mr. Bailey.
but of course they have the concern, is
Uh-huh.
he good, mom? Are you okay with him? Are you
Yeah.
comfortable?
Mhm.
You have no fear,
Yes.
you know?
Mhm.
Is he a Christian? That's his
Were you? Did you pass that test, Mr. Bailey?
I did.
All right, very good. All right.
Yeah.
So he is a good Christian.
Mm.
Okay. When let me ask you your previous history. Were you married before, Mr. Bailey?
Yes.
Did you have children?
Well, my children, my oldest boy is going to be
How many kids did you have in your previous marriage?
boy, girl, boy. 3.
3.
Yeah.
He's a good Christian. He followed the word of the Lord. Go forth and multiply. And he had 3. So that's good. And you also followed the word of the Lord. Go forth and multiply. And how many did you have?
5.
5. Very good Christian couple.
Yeah.
All right. So now, what brought you to our office? Did somebody recommend you? So, because you decided you're going to get married, then you cannot, hold on. Let me just take a break so that I can say goodbye to my son who had their taxes done today in the
Okay.
office.